say that we're falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same.
And then sahlangana nentombazane saba bangani kanjalo. Hello, welcome to my vlog. I am taking my friend out to dinner. We have a date. I haven't been on a date in such a long time, and I wasted so much time doing a get ready with me which was very much needed because I've been getting so much pressure on posting it. So I did that first, and then now I'm rushing. Just gonna do something cutesy. It's a Tuesday, you know, something cutesy for the girls. And I also got her like flowers and a gift. Let me show you. Am I just not so cute? From Mandy Flora. She's actually never received flowers from Mandy Flora. Her sister got a Mandy Flora bouquet before she did. So I'm just like, she's not a flower person, but I'm just like, you know. And then I also got her this gift, and I know she will love it. She's going to Rocking the Daisies in Cape Town. I know she will need this, and I hope that she carries it and tags me like my best friend. Well, am I your best friend? I don't think so, but yeah, I hope she likes it. And I'm running a little bit late. I'm gonna do the notes in the car. I just want to show you, I know you're gonna be watching this. I just want to tell you that I appreciate you so much and I love you guys. There's literally no amount of words I can use to thank this woman for always being there for me. Like, wow. But yeah, this is my outfit. Please go on Instagram and follow me on Instagram, xc_mandisa, to check out the entire outfit. But it's nothing J crazy. And I'm also gonna throw in like a fur coat just in case it gets really cold. And yeah, let's go.
Do you want me?
Wanna me like that? My reservation is at...
I'm back on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my dogs. No, as that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust.
Yeah. The camera is a mess.
My neighbors, as that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord.
So what is this thick thing underneath?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wait, eyes. Oh,
I think so.
so this was also when you move. I will. Nobody gonna go get. We are all the window.
I cannot trust my neighbor.
Okay. I hope it's nice. Steak. 3 in my
And me, I understand, so you don't know like me. See me, I want to make you know, say me there for you. And if not the price be done, I'm going to see you. I never tell you for
Are you serious?
this love will make me the dark man shit.
So let's take our time.
I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the party. No. I'm not telling me what's up in God. I'm not happy that day. I'm not that I want to make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, no.
Well, actually, you can't even see you blind, so I'm so sorry. Okay, me tatai. Gold. Okay.
Oh, should I went this way and then.
What is wrong with you?
That's it. Thank you.
Literally, Kaim spark is back. Bye. Drive home safe. Ngizobona vele mase ufikile. I know you're probably tired of me and showing you this view, but I just wake up every morning and just want to remind myself and be in stillness and remind myself never to take granted of this amazing life. I'm so blessed for this kind of peace, and I know it's not like as glamorous as some people would like, but I like it here. I love it here so much. My favorite thing is just soaking in the light. My goodness, I look a mess. Morning, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did my intro, but exe, she wanna dance, but she don't know how to walk. I just came here to show you how I make my garlic and turmeric shots. I drink this every single morning. I've heard that it has a lot of health benefits, so I just want to show you how I make it. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please comment, like and subscribe and join the community. It's a wonderful community. My name is Mandy. I live in Pietermaritzburg, well, just outside of Pietermaritzburg, and I hope you love it here. So let's get into it. All of the ingredients here. This is the, why did I say garlic? It's ginger, lemon juice. I'm supposed to use lemons, but I don't think I have them. No, I don't. Anyway, yeah, black pepper and cayenne pepper just to activate the turmeric. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and just water. So I don't have a tripod, so just bear with me. the whole thing. All you have to do now is cut it.
Cozy.
Now it's time for the juice. You have to strain this. Let me show you.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I own a watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is coming
So I'm taking it and putting it back in here so I can strain it again. See, it's more juice-like. The consistency is a little bit, but there's still all that gooey.
Come see me for once. You'll never come to me. You'll never come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would change too. You said you never traded no, and I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even let
I hope they don't think it's juicy.
Sweaty days, all you say is come and see me.
That would be so funny. Then I'll just keep it in the fridge so that can get a little chilled. And then every morning I take a shot from this. We are ready for the workouts. Yesterday I did 15 minutes on the treadmill. My dad got me a treadmill that I never ever used, but I want to try it out for 21 days. We can help look today. Like, I do not like this. I do not. So I'm just gonna try walking on it maybe for 20 minutes every day until I am able to actually run. And then yeah, but it's not too bad. It's just you can see those are low. You know. By the time this year ends, it's like I don't show me. Do you know our Caitlin, the girl who's always running? We're fun night, so I don't want to waste my money at the gym again because I had a 1-year membership that I never used. And what is it about paying 400 Rand a month for a membership that you don't use? And every time I went there, I would just go on the treadmill because I wouldn't have time. So let me just try working out at home and see how well I do. Let's take the shots.
I'm losing on my focus, I'm choosing on my chosen, cruising in this cold bin, soon picking up friends,
Oh,
we
no.
done this a lot, 100 with you, yeah, they know I'm not, give it 25, not a whole lot. Can you focus on baby, can you focus on me, hands in the soap, roses running out, I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and stuck in zone. You don't never come back with you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been lifting up. Wish you would just focus on me.
Should be a tequila. I'm gonna pretend it's tequila.
Baby, can you focus on me?
I think I added too much water in this one. Yeah, I added too much water and I didn't add enough pepper and cayenne pepper and turmeric. I'll see if I can try to blend it up a little bit later and improve the recipe. Because today I used 3 cups because I just felt like the first week it was very strong, but I can feel it's a little bit weaky. It's not as it usually is. So, or maybe this is the consistency it's supposed to be. I don't know. I don't like it like this. I'll blend it up later. So for now, I'm gonna go work out. I'm not gonna show you. It's very dirty in that room. And yeah.